Roll camera. Mark it.
All right, let's show you how to leave a review in the theater. First of all, log into the site, then go up here into the theater, this menu item. Click on the theater, it takes you to the theater. Now, most everyone will see these major areas here. The main film, the featured film, and then a few new releases. If you're logged in, you'll start to see that there's quite a bit more down here. There's 5 rows of films that are awaiting reviews before they go live to the public. So I want to show you briefly how to push one of these films up to the next row, until it finally goes live. What you do is you find a film you haven't left a review on yet. So let me find one. Let's see. Here's one. All right, now this is a film that was uploaded by a Skills USA team at the National Championship. So I know this is a pretty good one, but you click right here and then you watch the film. Make sure you watch the whole thing. And then come down here, and as you scroll down here, you'll start to see that there's these sliders. Now these sliders are attached to the students that were attached during the upload of the film process. So when they uploaded this movie, they have to attach all these students. And you use these sliders to simply decide what you want to give to these students, and then you leave them a review. Now, in a review, you have to leave a title. No, let's say, okay, you have to leave a title. So let's say, very clever. Now this film was made in a 24-hour film festival, so I want to leave it something nice. So something like, what a great job. I can't believe that this was made in 48 hours. Now, it's always important that you give what's called the critique sandwich. So leave them something good, like, what a great job. I can't believe this was made in 48 hours. Then you can be critical of something. The audio could have been a bit better. ... Perhaps even some Foley. Now you've given them something critical. Now it's helpful to give them something that they did really well. Again, the effects were well done and added to the story a lot. Oops, a lot, period. All right, now that's a good review. You've left something good about what they did right. You've been critical and told them some important information that they maybe need to hear so that they can fix their films in the future. And then you've hit them with something else that was good, that you liked about it. This producer is not a slider, although it looks like a slider. It is an aggregate of all the other sliders, just like the producer wins Best Picture for for Oscars. We did the same thing. It's an aggregate of all of these that totals the producer. So when you're done with this, you press submit. It'll tell you right here, you just reviewed this film. Great, awesome. You can even give it a thumbs up, 1 thumbs up or 2 thumbs up. I'll go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So we've given it a thumbs up. And now when I come back to the theater, you'll see that it has moved up to the next position. So it was down here on this row. Now it's up here on this row. 2 more reviews and it will go live to the public. And that's how you get films on there. Now, it's important that if you're going to upload your movies, that you go leave some reviews on somebody else's movie.